Now let's explain this semi-automatic roller pasting machine. We need to do some preparatory work before production. Our machine is powered by 220 volts. Just plug in the plug here, then this is a switch to turn on the power. The second one is a foot pedal. We also need to connect the feet. This one has 2 holes to be inserted all the way through, then lock it slightly. This is the gas connection. This is one of the 5/8 air tubes, then just plug it in. The air level should be kept above 0.6 megapascals as much as possible. This is a gas switch and this one is off now. It is open like this. After being opened, this pressure gauge can limit the pressure. We are now roughly limited to 0.5 megapascals. Don't set it too high. For example, if you adjust it to 0.8 megapascals, the air pressure will fluctuate. If your cylinder is only 0.6 megapascals, there will be some changes in speed, so we limited the pressure to 0.5 megapascals. It's fine to keep your air pressure as high as 0.5 megapascals as possible. Put this label on. By unscrewing the screw, we can take out this material tray and then attach the label properly. Be careful not to wrap the label wrongly on the side. Moreover, the way of winding also has its own rules and cannot be done wrongly. Then come up from here and pass through this brake. The meaning of brake is to press up after that. Only by turning this turntable can the label be pasted. If the label doesn't move here, it can be rotated here. So first, I braked and came up here. Here is a small device for pressing the mark. It doesn't need to be pressed too tightly here, just lean gently against it. It can be adjusted through this place. Press it gently like this and tighten it. Here, please note that our label must pass through the gap of this side label eye and then come down, pass through this wave marker plate. This is a silicone. The silicone is pressed down under certain pressure. When attaching the label, you just need to lift it a little bit and insert it here, then come back from here and pass by here. This blue rubber coating and this aluminum belt pattern form a traction. If we pull it, we need to open it before we can pass the label through. First, twist it clockwise. If you keep twisting it, it will be tight. If you twist it again, it will be loose and there will be a gap in the middle. Pass through the gap between these two shafts and the tail of the label to collect the material here. Here, it should be noted that after stringing the labels, in order to make the labels stick straight, all of our labels are located on the left line position. All the black circles should be opened close to it. In this way, it is very easy to stick the labels straight. If you come across small or large labels, they can be moved here. First, stick them straight to the edge, and then we can move them over like this.